G'day legends. Tonight, doing a simple one, but it's one I've been requested for. So, just gonna make air fryer chips, potato chips. Instead of fried chips, this is a healthy old version done with avocado oil. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the potato in half, like so, 2 pieces. We're then going to cut this into slices, about 2 centimeter slices. That's probably closer to 5, sorry. Like such. I'm just going to stack them both ways like such. And again, same distance, about 2 centimeter. Oh, that's 5. I'm not very good at that. Anyway.
Let's not get too technical,
yeah,
hey?
You've got to see, it's a bit over a finger. Don't go chopping your finger off.
Please don't.
Okay,
Disclaimer, if you can't use a knife, maybe don't do this.
Like Di tried to show me her way a second ago, and every single chip was a different size. So it's not as simple as what you do think. She thought she was so proud of herself, and it was rubbish. So that's
are we going to throw those ones away, are we?
No, I'm going to throw them away.
That's my attempt there.
Yeah, I know, that's not good. Okay, so almost every chip there is about the same size. You do the same thing again. So 1, 2, that some sticks.
And if you make chips like this, initially you might find them not too, I don't know, we love them. Our families, we got used to them. We don't like those ones that you buy that are pre-cooked in all that shitty oil. We actually find them disgusting, to be quite honest.
They're cooked in canola oil first, and they're really bad for you.
But not that, they just taste disgusting.
Yeah.
We actually love these. These are our favourite. And so once Scotty's cut them, we actually soak them in water.
Put them in water for a while.
Yeah.
Some people chill the water, some people put ice in it.
We don't.
I don't think it makes a difference. With an air fryer, I think with a deep fryer it would make a difference. You want to use a deep fryer. You can still do a deep fryer. Don't use vegetable oils. Use the solid block fat if you are going to do it, because the seed oils are just bad. Okay, so we've been soaking those in a bit of water. We're just going to drain that and we're going to rinse it in our happy nappy.
Please be aware that these nappies are never been used on a human.
You want to those off before we put them into our air fryer. Here's the magic part of an air fryer. About 1 tablespoon of oil. Just going to heat that up quickly. So it doesn't get burnt with no oil. That's it. Okay, so here we have the finished result. Beautifully done. Super crispy, look at that. And they're hot, real hot.